You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, originally from Latin, which is Latin for voice. How do you pronounce it? If you want to learn more Latin vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got much more for you. In English, it's pronounced Vox. Vox, the Latin pronunciation would be as Vox, with the V pronounced like a U, Vox. But generally, in English, just simply how to pronounce Vox. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.